Hello friends, so very welcome to my channel, and today I am going to discuss a very important package in Python, that is Numpy. So here I am writing Numpy. So as we all know about the Numpy means numerical Python. So it is the only library in Python that is used for numerical calculations, or we can say mathematical calculations or scientific calculations. So numerical Python is very important package that we use in Python. So before using the Numpy, we need to import this package in our file. So for importing, we will write here import numpy as np, in Numpy generally the data structure that we use in Numpy is nd array. Basically we use here array. So as you know about array only accepts homogeneous data. First let me create an array, np dot array. So let me give here the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here I have given a list. Here this np.array, writing this np.array is mandatory because the array is coming from Numpy. So here I have written this np and then .array, then I have given a list. Now I have now you can see we have given a list, and now this list is converted into the array. So you can see the list is each element is separated by the comma in the list, and in the array you can say that there is no comma in the array. So now we this is the one type you can create array. Another type is, suppose we have taken a list, let's say 10, 20, 40, 60. So there is a list we have created, and now in another one is equals to np dot array, and in the np dot array we will pass this list. So we can also create array by this. Now if you want to print the element, now if you want to print the array, we can print like this. Okay, so we can create the array with multiple by multiple ways. So here I have mentioned two ways. In another video I will share some inbuilt functions to create an array, or some random built-in functions to create an array. So here I have this is very simple. I have just discussed about creation of array with two methods. Now in the upcoming videos I will discuss more about this Numpy. So please keep watching my videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.